Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 18 of this car dealership. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to send it to Twinmotion and we added the materials and we set up everything. Last thing we did is we added the grass part right here. Now we're gonna add in the vegetation. And then we're gonna add the trees. I'm going to add trees right here in front. I'm gonna choose something very small, and then here as well. And then at the back, we're going to have a bigger one. So click on tab, and then let's hold on shift, probably around 15 meters, and then we're probably going to just put 3 more, and then maybe add 1 more at the end. Something like that. So that looks good. So we're gonna add probably 4 more, 15 meters, and then click OK. So in the front, that's done, and then we're going to add the one right here at the back. For the back, for this one, I'm going to manually add it so that we have more control adding this. So just seeing it, I want to see how this one looks from far away. And then from here, we're gonna change it up to a different one. I think we can populate this one with, I think, scatter. No, paint. And then we could increase the diameter. I want to try this one. There we go. At least this one is working. And it finished it off there. So we have this kind of, let's change this age so that it's small enough, and we have the big ones right there. So that looks good. I'm happy with the way this one looks. I just want to point out, maybe we should put none here so that we could control the effect of the exposure and the weather more. Yeah, let's leave it like this. I like the orangey effect as well, so it looks more natural like this. So I want to create the media now. So what I want to do is go to ambience. I want to check the rendering. I want maybe lumen, the way this one affects, and then path tracer. I want the high. So with the lumen, scene details, let's then change this. I want it to be at least a little bit see-through for the lumen. Change the opacity, something like that. We can still see the front and then the detail. And maybe I'm going to change the environment. For the rendering exposure, we might change the exposure level. Something like this. So with that, we need to create our view first. Something like this. Click right here, and then you need to turn on. Make sure this is on high, and then refresh it. And then let's go back onto this side. Let's change the speed to number 4. And add another one, and then let's just turn on the path tracer after we finish. And then here I want the image at the back. And I want to enable it so that we have backgrounds there. And then select that. I want to go right here as well. And then just turn on everything. Here we could just go in front a bit. I think this is a nicer angle. And then refresh it. Move forward a little bit. And refresh it, and then turn this on, the path tracer. I think that's good enough. So we're good with the image. We're gonna quit media and then go to the video. So here we need to go front. I'm going to change the exposure first a little bit. So that it's not overpowering. So that's good right there. Select this one. I want to do this. Maybe 4 seconds. And then let's go like this. Around 8 seconds. And then here, let's add an aerial. There we go. And then here, just going back. And then 4 seconds on that. And then just going down like this. 4 seconds as well. Add this one right here. 4 seconds. And then let's go out now. And then we could have something like this. Six. And then here and then add going back, exiting. Five seconds. and then here exiting 5 seconds as well. And then after that, go back to the video, select this one, duplicate, rename this one as show reel, and then rename the other one as shorts. And here we need to change the video output size 1000 to 700, and then save it first. And then once we save it, we can export it now. Select right here, select all, and then select video, select all. Everything is turned on. All image are turned on with path tracer, and then we're good to export. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.